Hello everyone, Tarun this side. So today let's discuss about Cucumber monochrome option. In Cucumber we use a monochrome as a Cucumber option to determine whether the output should be colorful, or in other case it also used to make output more readable. So inside Cucumber option annotations we use our monochrome option. So its default value is false, so there is no need to write monochrome equal to false. So if you will check its method signature, you can see default is false and it returns true if terminal output should be without colors. So if monochrome is false, it will print console output with colors. Now let's see it. Run as JUnit test. So here in console you can see this given and when is in green color. Now if you will copy this and paste it in some text editor, you will see some 90M hash is there. So and here you can see 0M, and here also observe few things. So monochrome false will print output in colors, but also it will make your characters unreadable in some console. So if monochrome is false, you will see like this in some consoles. So when monochrome was false, we got unreadable characters in some console, and also in Eclipse you have seen colorful output. Now let's try the other case when monochrome equal to true. Now your output will be without color, so you will see no color, but in consoles it will be readable. So let's try it. See this color when it was false. Now this will show in monochrome. See this, it is not in green color. And this time if I will paste it here, see, now we are not getting 90M here or any other unreadable character. So when monochrome is true, your output will be more readable in some console, but it will be without color. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.